Hey guys, Wizard Mike HP here again, and today I'm doing an unboxing. It's more like an unbagging of Harry Potter's wand in the Ollivanders box. Now I did get this on eBay for $20, really good deal, free shipping, so I'm pretty happy with that. So and I already made a slit in the back so it'll be easier to hold the camera, but let's see what's inside. Got the Noble Collection, Noble Collection box, and packing slip. That's not important. Let's see here. Let's open it up. And let's see, we have Harry's wand, which his is the only one with the 963 and the 643 Ollivander stickers on the Ollivanders box. And now his box is like a dark, deep brown, which is it looks black in here, but it's brown. And let's see here, what year is made? 2004. So it was one of the first ever made, which coincides with the release of the Prisoner of Azkaban movie, which this was the first version of Harry's wand used in Prisoner of Azkaban. Let's open up and see what's inside. Bear with me. The certificate of authenticity and Harry's wand. Yep, seems to about be in order. Now I do have, I also do have Harry Potter's wand in the collector's box by Noble Collection, and I'll be doing reviews on those, both of them together. See if the wands are any different, and the comparisons, pros and cons of the boxes. So, till next time, bye.